Hello YouTube, Daniel here. Just wanted to do a quick video. This is a couple things I pulled out of the basket there. The stuff that I yet to go through. Got a lot there to do. I don't know if you can see that size very well. 5/16 W. That's the old Whitworth standard. Nice snap-on wrench. Notice the script style. It's the old style. And as we flip the wrench over, there is the part number. WOEX110. Made in the USA. And those who know your date code very well, that is 1951. Overall, the wrench is in fair shape. It's not worn in any way other than the chrome's lifting. I don't know if you can see that very well. It's bubbled up pretty good. Like if I was to pick at it, that whole chunk would come off. There's a bit of chrome missing off the end here. And the other tool I pulled out to let you have a look at. Let's back out a bit and let you see it. Sorry, the lighting's horrible in here. Oh, here. Want to get a little light on the subject, maybe. Get the fancy dancy snap-on light out. Haha, there we go. See if this is going to help any. Alright, so we look back a little bit. See how well this is going to show up. Focus. 2130. Proto Canada. It's got that nice, very sharp point on it. This is what's called a lady slipper. Known by that because of its shape. As you can see, this one's a very narrow shoe to it. I've seen some ladies, well, what they call lady slippers, that are nowhere near that kind of shape. See the heel on it. This is more of a mechanic's tool. Like, you could use it for a pry bar, but this is for like unsticking cylinder heads and prying stuff. This is for centering your bolt holes. Like you're putting a motor in or something, you want to get that motor mount centered into the hole. You shove that through it and that'll line up the hole. Very nice tool. This ain't a very clean tool, but it almost looks like there's a small mark just before the part number. I imagine if I was so inclined to try to look it up, I may be able to find a number on the proto site if they have it. It's hard to say. Could be just an expression mark on either end to center it. But yeah, Proto Canada. I don't see any other markings on it. But yeah, you can feel this is a good quality bar. You can just tell by the ring of it. Yep. Alright, well, that's all I got for now. I still got another video here to put up. Another one talks about the snow we're having. Look at this crazy shit. It's snowing like fucking gangbusters out here. It's stupid me. I'm sitting out in the parking lot of fucking Wendy's using our Wi-Fi. But things you gotta do to fucking keep your channel going. Alright, like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, just stop by and say hello. Dano out.